everyone and welcome or welcome back again on this amazing YouTube channel. This is me Soumya Shekhawat, and in today's video we are going to talk about Python's free certification course that is offered to you by Coursera itself. Now I have brought to you an amazing video after a very long period of time, but this video is like going to be worth it. Trust me. So in today's video, I am going to share every single detail of this course with you guys, and this course is also free for everybody out there. So you can just go and grab this course whenever you feel like. So before beginning with all of these things, let us talk about this thing that why to choose Python? Why only this language? Why not others? So if you are newbie in the technical field, or you are a new programmer, a new coder, then Python is supposed to be one of the most easiest language, one of the most simple language you can go with. That's why I'm supposing that if you are somebody who is just starting out in this field, then you should definitely go with Python. Okay, so now if we have to talk about the future career plans, so this is something, Python is something which is used in industries, for example, data science, machine learning, which is on boom as of now. So data science, machine learning, automation, web development, these are the fields in which Python is used. So if you are a Python programmer, if you have a very good strategy over it, if you have a very good command over it, you can just grab different and various opportunities in all of these fields. So in today's video, without any further delay, let us talk about the Python's free certification course by Coursera. So this is the main portal of Coursera, where you will find this course which is named as Python Basics. So this is the name of the course, that is Python Basics, and I have already enrolled in this course. That's why it is showing here go to course. Otherwise, when you will come for this course for the very first time on this platform, then you can just enroll in this course. You will just audit this course. Remember this thing very clearly. You need to audit this course. There will be an option of audit because this course is free of cost. You don't need to pay any single thing for this. That's why you need to audit the course, and then you will just click on go to course and you will be enrolled for this course. And as you can already see here, a number of people are already enrolled in this course. Okay, so when you will scroll down, you will find that there are 4 modules of this course. That means this course is divided into 4 modules which you need to complete step by step. And the rating of the course is 4.8, and I think it's quite good. And then it is a beginner level course, so no prior experience in coding is needed. If you are a newbie, it is totally yours. Next is flexible schedule, approx 26 hours, learn at your own pace. Okay, this is all up to you. You can just adjust everything as per your needs. And 97% of learners liked this course. Next is when you will scroll down, you will find that what you are going to learn in this particular course. Okay, so learn Python 3 basics. This is that model of Python 3 basics, including conditional statements, loops, and data structures like strings and list. And also develop practical programming skills by creating drawings and building your debugging abilities. So when you will complete this course, all you are going to learn and all skills which you are going to gain are just listed here. Computer graphics, computer programming, data structures, computational thinking, graphical tools, debugging, and Python programming. So overall, if I just have to talk about, so you are just going to create a very strong foundation over Python. Next, when you will scroll down, you will find that there you will also get the certificate which is shareable. So you can also boost your LinkedIn profile by sharing the certificate of completion after the completion of the course. And there will be 3 assessments which you need to complete. After that only you will be able to grab your certificate. And this will be taught in English, okay, and you can on the subtitles as well. You will find a lot of many features when you will just enroll in this course. And when you will scroll down, you will find that you will also earn a certificate, and you can add this credential to your LinkedIn profile, to your CV, to your resume to boost up your profile. Okay, so there are 4 total modules in this particular course, and you can read everything at your own as well. Now, the first module is Introduction and the Basics of Python Programming. Okay, when you will click on module details, you will find that what are the main things which are included in this module. So as you can see here, there are 30 videos which you need to complete in this particular module. There are 2 readings, 1 assignment which you need to complete, and also 36 app items that are for hands-on experience. So it's not like you are just going to watch the videos, read everything and do the assessment. No, you are also going to do the hands-on experience things. Next is sequences and iteration, and booleans in conditional, sequence mutation, and accumulation patterns. So all these are the 4 modules. Okay, so when you will scroll down, you will find the reviews and feedbacks, every single thing. So you can also go through this. This will help you to make a better understanding about this particular course and how other people are feeling after completing this course. And these are something which you should definitely go with. Next is you can also go with the FAQs, that are the frequently asked questions. If you have any kind of doubt, I think there is also a section of more questions. Yes, so you can also visit the help center and you can ask, you can give your feedback also, you can ask some questions also if you have any kind of doubt. So you can also go with these FAQs as well. I will provide the link of this particular thing in the description. So when you will click on that link, you will be redirected to this amazing portal, and then you can go through every single detail at per your own also. Now, if you have any doubt related to this particular thing, you can just comment down below in the comment section and I will try to reply you as soon as possible. And if you want to give me suggestions for some new upcoming videos, so for that also comment section is always open for you guys. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring. Bye bye. Thank you.